Green chilies are so good in eggs. They're good in a lot of stuff. Zucchini, other vegetables, they're just tasty. This little teeny can has 480 milligrams of sodium. That's just about 480 more than I want to use. My chilies, according to my Google search, have none. We're going to roast these little guys. We cut the tops off, like that. Open them up. Oh, wear your rubber gloves. Yeah. And then, when you're doing this, don't rub your eyes. Got a whole bag of these cute little rubber gloves at Walgreens for not much. When you open it up, it's got seeds and membrane in it that we want to take out of there. You can use a spoon, a knife, serrated edge spoon, whatever happens to work well for you. So I washed all these, laid them out to dry, open them up, and I've got a cookie sheet with aluminum foil on it. Just smack them down with the shiny side up. Smack them down. So I'm going to do all these. Then I'll be back with you. About 1.25 pounds of green chilies. And I ended up cutting them in half to get them to fit on my cookie sheet. Because for my videos, I bought new cookie sheets. They just happen to be a little bit smaller than the old ones. So I'm going to stick these in the broiler. Generally takes between 10 and 12 minutes to get them nice and charred. Here's our green chilies. They're kind of charred. The next step, we're going to put them in a plastic bag. Green chilies have kind of a natural cellophane covering on them that we want to get off. We've got a zipper bag here. I'm just going to put the green chilies in here, zip it up, and let them sit for about 12 minutes so it softens that skin. Comes right off. When we get them all done, I'm going to chop them. Put them in the refrigerator until they get nice and cold. Then I'll freeze them. We're not adding salt, so our shelf life is not going to be as long as it would be if we bought that can that's got 480 milligrams in it. But this is my frozen ones. And if you freeze them flat, when they get frozen, you just break it. Just take out what you need. It's really good on the food. So I'm going to take the cellophane off of these and chop them. Show you what we ended up with 1.25 pounds of chili. We want to broil these guys until they're charred on the top. Then you get all of what I call cellophane off at one time. So they're done. Green chilies, I chopped them. I want to see how much I get. Okay, that's close. Let's see. And no sodium. I got almost 1.5 cups here. No sodium. I'm going to cool them, put them in that bag and freeze them. Then I'm going to have green chilies.